students. Previous class we learned about the structure of flame and we also learned about the types of fuel. And today we shall discuss about the burning of fuels leads to harmful product. So we shall know that what are the harmful effects or the harmful causes that will happen if we burn the fuel. So let us have a look at this video and we shall understand what are the harmful products formed on burning of the fuels.
Burning of fuels leads to harmful products. Fuels such as wood, coal, and petroleum are called carbon fuels. While burning, these fuel produces unburned carbon particles. These particles are dangerous pollutants that causes respiratory diseases such as asthma. Wood is being used as fuel for ages, but now it has been replaced by the cleaner fuels like LPG. But people living in the rural areas still use wood as a fuel because it is easily available and at a lower cost. Such practices should be stopped because it has an adverse effect on human health. Also, trees provide us with many useful substances. Hence, if wood is used as a fuel, we may lose these useful substances from the wood. Another problem that may face due to deforestation is environmental problem. Combustion of most fuels releases carbon dioxide in the environment. Increased level of carbon dioxide in the air results in global warming. Global warming means it's the rise in the temperature of the atmosphere. This results in the melting of glaciers, which leads to a rise in the sea level, causing floods in the coastal areas. Also, low-lying coast may problems get submerged underwater. Note that incomplete combustion of fuels such as wood, coal, and petroleum releases carbon monoxide gas, which is very poisonous. This gas can even kill a person sleeping in a closed room containing this gas. Burning of fuels such as coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide. Also, burning of petrol gives off oxides of nitrogen. These oxides are very suffocating and corrosive. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen dissolve in rainwater and form acid rain. This rain is really harmful for crops, soil, and buildings. Nowadays, to reduce the use of petrol and diesel, people making use of CNG, that is compressed natural gas, in automobiles. So CNG is a cleaner fuel. It produces very small amounts of harmful products. And about CNG, already we have studied and we have learned in the previous lesson.
So let's recall quickly what we have learned from the video. So the effects of the burning of the fuel leads to the harmful product. So what are the harmful effects that we have seen? The burning of the fuel, it will lead to deforestation. And already we know what is meant by deforestation. It's nothing but the cutting of the trees. So if we cutting of the trees or the cutting of the forests is nothing but the deforestation. And burning of fuel leads to respiratory diseases. So respiratory diseases such as asthma, and it may also lead to lung cancer. Next, burning of fuel also leads to global warming. And what is meant by global warming? It's not global warming is nothing but the rise in the temperature of the Earth's So it will, in global warming means due to the more excess of burning of the fuels, it will increase the temperature, it will increase the heat into the Earth's atmosphere, which causes many problems for the living beings. Next, acid rain. So burning of fuel leads to acid rain. So acid rain, how acid rain is formed? The oxides of sulfur and nitrogen dissolved in the rainwater. Now where does these oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen came from? By the burning of fuel. On burning of fuel, the oxides of sulfur and the oxides of nitrogen, it will release and they will get into the atmosphere, and there they will mix into the rain. So in rainwater, and now after mixing of the sulfur and nitrogen in the rainwater, this rainwater get converted into the acid rain, and its pH value will be less than 5, which will be very acidic, and that will be very harmful for human beings, not only for human beings, also the plants and the animals. So it also causes skin cancer, cataract, eye diseases also. So hence these are the major effects, harmful effects of the burning fuel, that is deforestation, respiratory diseases, global warming and acid rain. So students, here comes the end of your chapter, that is the combustion and flame. So hope you complete the notes soon and submit it on the prescribed timetable. So in the next class we shall start the biology part. Thank you.